小朋友，今天的写字时间到了，我们要写3个字，儿子的儿，长得像的像，还有3只小猪的猪。他们家3个猪儿子都长得像猪爷爷。Hey, that sentence uses all 3 of our new vocabulary.When we learn a new word, it's important to try to use it as often as possible, even in random sentences. 他们家3个猪儿子都长得像猪爷爷。换你说说看。Perfect!Using the words we just learned help us to remember them. Plus, it's fun to do, which is why for homework, I will ask you not only to write the individual characters, but to start tracing or writing some sentences. The more we practice, the better we'll get. Let's start with To write we start with a tricky slant vertical stroke.Followed by a short horizontal stroke. We write 2 more strokes that almost look like they're mirror opposites before closing off this part with a horizontal stroke. We finish with a slant stroke to the left and a hook stroke to the right. That's how we write Now you try it.接下来我们来写像这个字。We start with 左边的部首 Then we move to 右边 Remember, this side of the character means the elephant. We start with the slant stroke followed by a hook slant stroke. Then we follow the box rule, except what we have inside this time is a vertical stroke.Underneath the box are some tricky slant strokes that look almost like an animal with a bent back, just like the elephant. That's how we write 像. Now you try.